Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Melvin, Realtor and Team Leader. I help coach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers on how to grow and scale their real estate business through creative and innovative digital marketing, content creation through social media, as well as tried and true methods to have your business work harder for you than you do for it. If you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, close more deals, and scale your team, you'll absolutely love this video, so keep watching. In today's video, we're going to gear it more towards new agents and teaching you how to schedule showings more efficiently and easily. Let's get into it. In today's example, we'll use the Central Texas MLS. Your MLS, wherever you're at, may look a little different, so you'll have to find the search menu to go from there. And if your area does use ShowingTime for your scheduling, then this video will definitely help you. So at the top, we'll go to search and then quick. Again, we're going to set up some residential homes to view, and so we'll remove the pending and we'll just keep active. And for the price point, for fun, we're going to do $1 million or more. So in this instance, I need to have a plus out to the side of that. And then for the city, I'm going to go ahead and do where I'm close to. So we'll do New Braunfels, and then we should have a few listings there. So we have those, and then we'll just go to the results, and here's one right here. We'll just click on that. Beautiful looking home. Go down to schedule a showing. We'll click on that, and if this is the only showing for the day, then we can go ahead and click a schedule single showing. But if you have multiple ones and you want to make it really easy on yourself, you'll click add to ShowingCart. And then let's say the showings are going to be for Thursday. We'll click that date, and you want to add in your buyer there, so it will help you keep track of the showings that you have for this specific client. So we click add new, and so you'll want to add your client in here, client name, and then you put their email and phone number as well, so you keep track of that, and then just click create. And so you can see here's the example. We'll click OK. Now this one is ready for us to schedule. We just have to choose a time. But in order to get the other ones in there, we'll go back to the MLS, and let's go back to our single line view. And for just time's sake, we'll choose the next home here, and we'll copy this MLS number. Beautiful home as well. Go back to ShowingTime, and we'll put that in there. We're going to separate it by a comma, so let's just schedule 2 more showings as well. We'll go to the next home, copy that one, and then paste that in there as well. And we'll do one more to get a good example. Copy that one, beautiful water view, and back over to ShowingTime and paste it. Now we'll click go, and it's going to get all of those homes right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have all of the showings in place, and if you wanted to make the travel time a little more efficient, you can change the order that they're in, as well as take in consideration what times are available to show the home. It doesn't seem like any are blocked off with these homes that I have chosen. So let's say we want to move home 4 to be in the 3 position. You would just click and grab and bring it up, and there now they have changed position. So whatever is most time efficient for you, that would be appropriate to change them. And then all you would need to do is go over here, and let's say we're going to start at 9 a.m. We'll click this one, and then give yourself maybe a 30-minute to an hour window, and then you would click save, and it's blocked off that time. Now you can see it's going to take you about 30 minutes, 26, 30 minutes to get to the next showing. So you want to leave yourself enough time to get there. So if you spend the entire 30 minutes there, or maybe 15 minutes, and at the end of your showing it's going to take you 30 minutes to get there. So again, you book it appropriately. Give you another 30 minutes or so. Save that, and then 25 minutes to there. So you can see we want to leave appropriate gaps. Sometimes the homes are a lot closer to each other, and sometimes they're obviously further away. So you can so let's just say, for example, this one was really close, so we can even maybe book it at the same time because they're maybe in the same neighborhood, and you can do that. And then you would basically just click send requests, and you'd be good to go. It will give you your either approval, or you have to wait till it is approved, and then you're good to show your homes to your client. And I would wish you the best of luck, and I hope you sell that house. All right, everyone, I hope this video helps you schedule your showings more efficiently. If you did like the video, go ahead and hit that like button for me, then subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified every time I put out great content. Till next time, go sell some homes.